Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I got some Amazon Basics towels. They came kind of compressed and packed, but let's check out and see how they are when I open them up. I needed some towels for my guest room here, which is what we're in right now. This is actually my guest room where I do my videos. So let's see how they are. So it comes with a little card. So this is the towel. And I mean, I can see a little bit of light through it. I'm not gonna say it's the thickest towel in the world, but it's decent and it's a good size. I mean, it's definitely the oversized one. I could wrap it around and fit it. I can definitely do a wrap here. So it's a good size. So it comes with two of these towels, and you can see they are pretty standard terry cloth. Maybe once they wash, they'll get a little floofier. So we got two of those, and then we have two of these are the hand towels. Nice to have some hand towels to dry your hands off on. So we get two of those, and then we get two washcloths, which are just washcloths. So there we go. And it says they're 100% cotton, and these are good. I like them. I think they'll work good. I'll go wash them a couple times just to kind of get some of that initial blue out of it, I guess. But super cool. Thumbs up.